Hello, my name is Heather Parks, and we are going to do Introduction to Wireshark today. This is for my Security Class 110, so let's get started. First of all, you're going to come down here. You're going to get on Google. Well, if I could spell today, we would get on Google. There we go. And we go to Wireshark. Right there, that download. And I went to the wrong one. Just give it a quick sec. Here we go. And Wireshark right here, hit this download right there, and you'll go through the downloading process. While this is downloading, I will tell you a little bit about Wireshark. Wireshark is the world's foremost networking protocol analyzer. It lets you capture and interactively browse traffic running on your computer networks. Wireshark is the leading developer was Gerald Combs. And I think this is about done installing. About 12 more seconds. Okay, so then you would double click and go through the normal Wireshark download. But since I've already done that, I'm going to get out of this and we'll go right here to Wireshark. This is your Wireshark main menu. It tells you about your interfaces, all of the systems that are running on your computer, how to capture. Now what we're going to do first, we know what our IP address is. You come down here to your start and hit CMD. This brings up your interface and you type in ipconfig. Now ipconfig is a command to bring up pretty much everything that's on your computer. You can get your default gateway from here, you can get your subnetting mask, but what we want to know is our IP4 address, which is 192.168.1.106. Now if we come up here to where it says capture, and we go to interfaces, and we see that this is our IP address. And this was another one that's running on your computer. But this is the most active, so we're going to click that so we know which our interface is. Okay, so before we do that, we're going to get our browser ready for Wireshark. So we're going to minimize this and pull up another browser. Now, whenever I open up a new tab, it brings up all of this where I've already been. So if we come over here to Tools and hit Options, and we come over here to when Firefox opens, we want it to be a blank page, so we're not going to have any packets going from that website. We want to start where we're going. So it's already been set, so hit OK. So now we come back to Wireshark, and we're going to start a capture. Okay. So we hit Start. And this is everything that is going on right now within my browser right here. If we go here, click different things, this is all of the stuff that is happening when I click from different things. All this information. Now what we're going to do is we're going to come up here and we're going to hit Stop, because we have plenty of information here already. Now, just to explain these columns, we have number, which is the number of the packets, and then we have the time, the seconds it took to get the packets to come, and then source is the IP address, and the destination was set to, so this is my IP address right here. And then it tells what kind of protocol, and then the length of the packet. And what we're going to do is we're going to hit HTTP as a filter, because HTTP is just browsing, which is what we did within those two websites. So we're going to hit enter, and it's going to bring up all of the HTTPs that we went to. And we can look down here, we got frame, we got Ethernet, Internet Protocol version, We got user diagram and hypertext protocol. And if we hit right there, it shows all the things that happen. Their host and everything. Another cool thing you can do is you can come down here and click on one of the HTTPs and hit follow T-stream. And everything that we did is in pink. And this is what the packet did to send it back to us. This is what the computer did. And this is all of that, which is really cool. And you can also do this for getting passwords off of different sites. You can use this for a lot of different things. A lot of people use Wireshark. It can be good for if you want to keep a watch on your employees at an office, and it can also be for stealing passwords and getting data. And that is about it, so I hope you enjoy my video. Bye!